everyone, hope you're doing well. In the last video, we learned the different types of intellectual property. If you haven't seen it yet, we suggest that you do for your better understanding of this and future videos. Today, we shall discuss the very important concept of trademarks. Let us start off by learning what is a trademark. Trademark is the most important and valuable asset of any business. A distinctive trademark helps the business to build public goodwill and brand reputation in the goods or service it markets. A trademark is any word, name, symbol or device, logo, slogan, package design, or maybe even a combination of these that identifies and also distinguishes the source of goods of one party from those of others. Now that we know what is a trademark, let's start off by learning the types of trademarks. Trademarks can be made up of words, alphanumeric symbols, pictures, designs, etc. The following are the most common types of trademarks. A word mark is simply a particular name that has been established as a trademark. Example, Subway. Sometimes these words can be further stylized and made more fanciful. Such trademarks are known as coin marks. Examples include eBay and L'Oreal. Sometimes abbreviations and a few letters are sufficient, creating lettermark trademarks like IBM or BMW. A few trademarks include numbers as well, like 7-Up and 3M. Sometimes along with the name of the brand, a tagline comes along. Example, KFC's It's Finger Licking Good or LG's Life's Good. These make the product more catchy in terms of attention, resulting in selective attention to the product. Sometimes even the contours can be trademarked, like the contours of the Coca-Cola bottle or the Toblerone chocolates. Often, even colors get associated with a brand. For example, Nivea's blue or Cadbury's purple. A jingle is a good way to capture attention, and hence, sound bites representing a company may also be trademarked. Are goods the only thing that can be trademarked? No, you can also trademark your services, and these marks are known as service marks. What is a service mark exactly? A service mark is any word, name, symbol or device, logo, slogan or a combination thereof which identifies and distinguishes the services of one party from those of others. A service mark is often referred to as trademark for convenience because in certain countries the concept of service mark is not in existence. Alright, so now we learned another fancy legal term, but what is the purpose of a trademark? Trademarks are like a pictographic representation of a company that enables a consumer to distinguish a product from others in a market. It also acts as a representer in the market and is often associated with the brand value of the company. Now, if your company needs to select a trademark, how will you go about its selection? Well, for the benefit of the company, the more catchy it is, the better. It has to be clearly different from other products in the market, not just to avoid consumer confusion, but also to prevent other companies from infringing on profits incurable by your brand. It is important to know that descriptive, geographic, or personal names cannot be registered as a trademark. Trademarks are always different from each other, and to understand how they are different, we need to understand the levels of trademark distinctiveness. Fanciful or coined marks. These marks are words that are made up and have no meaning other than brand names, such as Xerox for the photocopier and Kodak for films. Such trademarks are always covered by wide protection. Arbitrary marks. These marks are words which have a dictionary meaning but no reference to the goods or services for which they have been chosen as brand names. For example, Apple for computers and Sunlight for detergent. Suggestive trademarks. These trademarks express some attribute or benefit of the goods or services but do not refer to the goods or services directly. For example, Fair & Lovely for cosmetics, Airtel for mobile services and NutriChoice for biscuits. Descriptive marks. Generally, the trademarks which have direct reference to the goods or services cannot gain the trademark registration due to lack of distinctiveness. As an exception, if such trademarks are used in the business extensively and through mass advertising, such trademark can gain the acquired distinctiveness or secondary meaning. Examples include Head and Shoulders shampoo and Fun Munch for chips. Similarly, the laudatory works of Color Plus for dresses, Clean and Clear for face wash, geographical descriptive marks associated with a place, for example, Mysore sandal for soaps, and surnames like Tata and Haldiram's had to cross miles for trademark registration. Let's assume you have a company and you need the best trademark possible. How will you go about selecting your trademark? The best way to make sure you won't face any action for trademark infringement is to involve your legal representatives ab initio in the creation and development processes. Furthermore, analyzing trademark registries such as the Trademark Registry of the Government of India can alert you if your trademark is conflicting with that of another. This part of the video might get a little technical, but please do watch it because this deals with the important aspect of trademark registration processes. After filing the trademark application, an examiner of the trademark office will examine the application and may raise objections on the point of legality. The objections may arise for refusal on either absolute grounds or relative grounds. Once the objections are overcome, the trademark application will be accepted for registration and it will be published in the Trademark Journal. The published trademark may be opposed by any third party who believes that such registration might cause issues to their trademark. The opposition period is for 4 months, and if no opposition is filed within the prescribed time frame, the registration of the trademark will be assumed to have been completed. With that, we come to the end of our trademarks video. We sincerely hope that you had a lot of fun watching it. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified for all our uploads. Thank you and hope to see you soon.